Hi, welcome back to the channel, and today we will discuss how can hide uh, address latitude longitude in GeoDirectory. Many times we see that people do not want this map thing, and they want only this address field only, not everything. So how can do that? So in the if you check in the backend, like in the address field, then at here you can see at here address option is available, and when you click on show advanced, then you can see show latitude longitude is enabled, so you can disable directly at here. Now check again. Now it is disabled, and again I want to now I am checking, and I am putting some title etc, and selecting category and submit. Then it is coming again because it is with validation. So we should remove this validation. So for remove this validation, I have one code at here for remove this validation via JS, and as you know, we should not change inside parent theme directory starter as a basic standard, standard in programming in WordPress. So we should change inside child theme. So first I changing in theme to child theme of starter theme, and then replacing it inside whoop and function.php. Now I am inside whoop function.php, and now I am adding some code for testing purpose. Now again check. Very and now like at here please title, description, category, and now submitting, and it is giving there is problem with listing package configuration, please contact the administrator. So due to that, because we remove address longitude latitude field at here, so it is giving error. So we already checked that if we disable this thing from backend, then it is also not working. So best thing, if we want only address field at here, not other field like country, region, city, etc, and attitude, address, longitude, latitude, etc. So we just create one field with name address, and also first I am hiding this. So for hide, just disable this address field. Now check again. Now it is disabled, address field is disabled. Now at here you can add address field at here, but it give error like field key name must be unique, duplicate field detected, please fix and resave. So we cannot give same address name, because at here you can see same key will be as address. So I am giving as new address. Now new address is taken, and now but it is not looking good new address, so I am again changing, because inside DB it is already changed. Sorry, it is already changed new address, so now I can change label now. And now I am dragging it in place of address, and now check again. Now address field is here, and you can put address which you want. So now via this method you can hide longitude latitude from GeoDirectory. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. And if you want some GeoDirectory customization etc., then you can see my development services. I provide GeoDirectory setup customization, advanced API customization, and performance security, web application migration etc., custom WordPress development. So you can connect with me, and thanks for watching.